All right. Prateek, so tell me, what are your problems when it comes to sitting for your dream company? What are your challenges?
Ma'am, there are a lot of challenges. The first thing which I am facing is I do not know what all jobs are available for my graduating year. So if I am a graduate of 2019, I don't know what all jobs are suitable for me. If I am a graduate of 2020, I don't know what jobs are suitable for me and how to apply for job, how to prepare for the jobs. So all those problems I am facing, and even I do not know which material will be suitable for my preparation. And because of that, I'm losing my confidence. I don't know how to prepare for the interview, what all questions will be asked. And moreover, this is bringing down my confidence, and I'm not able to concentrate on my studies. So there is no place where I can get all those information, and that too correctly, because there are many fake job alerts where we apply and we don't get any response from the company. Even I feel my resume is also not proper. So what is a solution, ma'am?
All right, Prateek. So I think you're talking to the correct people out here. At Online Study for You, we are coming up with something absolutely free of cost
Oh my
on the
god.
1st of January.
When, ma'am?
Every problem you on the 1st of January.
1st of January
Ev-
2021? Oh,
Absolutely. So the
oh.
countdown has begun. You have 8 more days to go, and then you shall have a Santa Claus gift from us for your new year. And every problem that you mentioned will be solved,
Ma'am,
whether it is your
ma'am,
CV,
I have seen
whether
multiple. Ma'am, I have seen multiple times on your YouTube channel. We put the comment, but we don't get any response. I can understand you have more than 1 lakh subscriber, but we don't get response. What is the solution for that? So whatever your gift is there, so will we get benefited in terms of any free materials, and all our queries will get solved?
the answer to this is yes, you will get free material. You will get a chance to interact with your mentors, your favorite mentors. So stay tuned with us to find out what's happening. But this Happy New Year will definitely be happy because at Online Study for You, we are coming up with something to solve all your problems, one stop solution, as we promise.
So this will be a biggest gift for each one of our subscriber, because they were asking, so after 100K we are completing, what is a gift? So you just need to wait for 7 more days, and then there will be a gift, and it will be full of things which you really need it. So just 7 more days from today. So 1st of January 2021, we are coming up with the exciting gifts and prizes. Thank you, guys.
Stay tuned.